Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services. And as we approach the all-time highs that we've seen on last year, December 1st on Sensex and Nifty, this morning that gap was missed by just about 6 points on the Nifty and 9 points on the Sensex. And after that, we've seen a little bit of red on the screen trying to attempt the all-time high, but we have kind of not been successful. Uh, and the outlook shared with all of you all over the last 2 to 3 weeks, friends, we did mention that market should consolidate for some time rather than be in a hurry to go towards the all-time high or crossover. And that's what exactly is reflecting. The all-time high that we saw on the Nifty on 1st of December 2022 was 18,887. This morning, the high that was made on Nifty was 18,881. So 6 points short of going towards the all-time high. And on the Sensex, on the 1st December 2022, the all-time high was 63,583. And this morning, the Sensex made a high of 63,574. So about 9 points miss over there. Overall, our sense is that market should consolidate over here rather than be in any hurry. Yes, if it goes towards the all-time high once again and crosses over, it's going to be welcomed by both hands. But what's going to be more important, friends, is whether the markets are able to stay uh, above those all-time high and take us a little bit further. Well, on the markets, consolidation, like we said, should be the order of the day. Stock picking will definitely be done during this time. And on the monsoon front, there has been a slight delay, but nothing alarming. It remains to be seen how the advance of monsoon is there and how the distribution is going to be. That's going to be the more important factor to watch out for rather than speak now on any kind of big negativity or an overhead overhang on the markets and economy because of this slight delay. As we all know, the Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi is going to be visiting the United States of America, and there is a lot that has been expected out of this visit. One sector that we specifically feel will be in focus on the basis of this visit by the Prime Minister to the United States is going to be the defense sector. I think there's going to be a lot of focus, a lot of deals that will we should look forward to related to defense, especially to the public sector defense related companies as well as private sector defense related companies, which are going to be in focus. So that's going to be one sector which will be in focus for some time. And in just in case if there are some meaningful deals that are signed between India and the United States of America for sharing of uh, know-how and technology is concerned, I think it's going to be extremely positive for the defense related sector. Overall, friends, on the crude oil and rupee front, well, we did mention on the rupee dollar equation that we should be seeing some strength in the rupee, and that's what is reflected. Rupee is, as of now, when I speak to you, is trading below 82 rupees to a dollar. The level is 81.98 rupees to a dollar, strength of 0.05 paise. On the NYMEX and Brent also, after staying elevated, we've seen some correction coming. On Brent, the level is $75.48 to a barrel, and on the NYMEX is $70.49 to a barrel. Coming to the markets, as I speak to you, to give you certain levels, well, Sensex is down about 120 points when I speak to you at this Monday morning around about 11:30. 63,260 is the level on Sensex. Nifty is down about 45 odd points. 18,780 is the level on Nifty spot, and the Bank Nifty down about 260 odd points. 43,680 is the level on Bank Nifty. Well, so what do we do in this kind of a scenario? As always, investment ideas are there in the markets where you should forcefully focus on. And this time again, two investment ideas, more so from the broader markets. First one is from the gas sector, that is LPG and CNG. And the recommendation is on a company called Gujarat Gas Limited. Friends, we have all heard about the Ministry of Transport and the Honorable Minister, Mr. Gadkari, speaking about doing away with the fossil fuels and focusing more on clean and green fuels. CNG is one such fuel which is definitely expected to grow as far as the consumption demand is concerned. And one should focus on all those entities which are related to distribution of gases like CNG and LPG. Along with that, city gas distribution outlets. So Gujarat Gas is the first investment idea. The second one is from the infrastructure space, and I'm sure we spoke about this earlier, a couple of months back. A company called NCC Limited, Nagarjuna Construction Company Limited was known earlier. Now it is known as NCC. Uh, we have revisited this target of this particular company, and I think it is more prudent on our part to speak about this since we have upgraded our targets. I think it's a great investment idea, and all those companies which are associated with the infrastructure space are going to see quite robust orders coming in, whether it is from the state or the central government. And NCC Limited is one such company which is quite capable of executing its order book in the given time frame and thereby translating into revenues and profit on the balance sheet. So, two investment ideas, friends. Mind you, friends, these are fundamental long-term investment ideas. These are not trading or short-term investment ideas. By default, you should have at least year and a half plus in case if you decide to invest in these companies, Gujarat Gas as well as NCC Limited. You should have longest time horizon, and always, don't be in hurry to invest in any stock. Stagger your investments. Start with some initial amounts, and since the market are at all-time high, there is a little bit of nervousness whether to be in the market or whether to book profits. Well, one should look at long-term potential of the markets and stay invested in good, fundamentally sound companies with great management. So, two investment ideas from a long-term point of view: Gujarat Gas and NCC Limited. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.